Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to chat with someone or how to send a chat to someone on Monday.com. So, if you're on Monday.com and if you have to send somebody a chat, follow these steps and you'll be good to go. So, the first thing that you need to do is you have to log into Monday.com, log into your account. And when you're here at the home page, the next thing that you need to do is you have to open any project you're working on, on the workspace. So, for example, if I'm working on this project, I'm going to open it. So, let's take this project as an example. Now, if I am working on this project and I'm organizing everything and I've assigned people here, for example, let me just do it for you. I've assigned people for these clients. And if I want to have a kind of conversation with them, what would I do? So chatting is used for that purpose. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click here, start a discussion board, and this is the place where I will be chatting with them, when where I will be having a conversation with them. Uh, so this is very important, this board discussion window, because anything related to this specific project you can share right here with your employers or employees, and you guys can have a very fruitful conversation in which you would discuss the dynamics of this project, or if there is an emergency situation, you can just write it here. And if you want to have a direct conversation with someone, you can click here on mention, and then you can mention these people who are working on these projects. For example, if I have to say something to this person, I'm going to mention him and then I'm going to write the message. See this, for example, I'm going to write this message and then I'm going to type my message right here. So if you want to say something directly to someone, you can mention them and they can just see it and they can reply to it. Once when you've written everything that you want, you can click on update and it will be posted right here. So that's how you do it. But remember one thing, that this discussion board is mostly used for short messages and it's very uh, time conscious. I would say that you have to reply it on time. It's not like emails or any other stuff that's going to stay here for a longer period of time. So you should take the leverage and you should use this pretty often and use it for instantaneous messages, not long email type messages. So that was it. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.